Hi, welcome to Saptapati.ai, and this is the second video of tutorial. We will talk about how to launch your Jupyter Notebook from a particular folder, plus from the navigator. So I already told you how to launch from a navigator, but I will repeat that part again, and we will go for a folder part in this video. And once we have launched the Jupyter Notebook, we will also talk about how to particularly create a new file and all those steps. So let's start. For navigator, the only step is just click on this launch. If you are opening your Anaconda navigator for the first time, you won't see the launch button. You will see the installation key. What you need to do there, that you just simply click on the installation. It will install the Jupyter Notebook for you. And once the installation is done, it will take a little time. Once the installation is done, it will simply you can click on it and launch it. For the navigator part, all you need to do, you simply go to the particular drive. So say my code is in E drive, I will write E, then CD, and whatever the folder name is. Say your folder name is the study, so you will just simply write study and press enter. You will get inside that folder. Once you are inside the particular folder that you want to launch your sheet in or Jupyter Notebook in, you simply write Jupyter Notebook. I strongly recommend that you create a separate folder for Python. So simply go to your drive, whatever whatever drive it is. Simply go there, create your folder with name of Python course, and start there your notebook. So you can keep all the codes, all the files at the same place. So you can come back and revise it, because revising is very important. And I will let you know too that when you have to create a new file, when you have to change your sheet, I will also explain you that. So just create a separate folder in a particular drive and start the course. Thank you guys. So after clicking Jupyter Notebook, you will see something like this, and that means your notebook is already launched. Once it is launched, obviously guys, make sure that you have done the installation before this. After launching it, you can simply go and run the code. In case you have not installed it, please go open the navigator and install it. To install it from this prompt, you have to write a command. Let me show you the command first. You have to type conda install Jupyter Notebook. Make sure you mind the spelling. The Jupyter Notebook spelling is different. So as you can see, it is Y, not I. So make sure the spelling is correct. If your spelling is correct, you will simply start installing it. It will take some time and installation will be done. Once the installation is done, simply go for Jupyter Notebook the way I have launched in a particular folder that you want to launch it. So once it is launched, you will see something like this. It's a new page. You might don't see the files you're seeing right now. They are my files basically. So it depends what kind of file you will see. So once you open the file, you open your folder like this. You will get something like this. When you see the folders, whatever folder name is, my folder name is Python. So whatever name you have kept for your folder, you simply click on it. So introduction of Python is my sheet name, and this is my file. Or if you don't have any file for now, simply click on new at the right top, and you simply click on Python 3. Once you click on this, you will create a new file like this. A blank file will be there. Okay, this will be a Jupyter Notebook file initially. This is your first file. In the next video, I will explain you how to use this file, how to edit this file, and how to use Jupyter Notebook sheet. Thank you for this video. See you in the next video, guys.